cosmic sheet pulls galaxies away from Milky Way, explains Andromeda's unique path for decades. Astronomers have puzzled over why most nearby galaxies are speeding away from the Milky Way, while Andromeda is on a collision course with our own. New research reveals a massive, flat sheet of dark matter is the key. This unseen structure acts as a cosmic repellent, flinging galaxies into deep space while allowing Andromeda to fall inward, defying the usual expansion of the universe. The curious case of galactic motion, the universe expands, meaning galaxies generally move away from each other at a rate proportional to their distance, a rule known as Hubble's law. However, Andromeda breaks this pattern, rushing toward the Milky Way at 68 miles per second. This has long been an outlier, prompting scientists to seek an explanation beyond standard cosmology. The new study confirms that a vast, flattened distribution of mass, primarily dark matter, is responsible. Dark matter's hidden influence, dark matter, though invisible, dominates the universe's mass. The researchers built simulations of the early universe, starting with conditions observed in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, and modeling the evolution of dark matter and visible galaxies. These simulations revealed that the mass just beyond our local group of galaxies isn't distributed in a sphere, but in a flat sheet stretching for tens of millions of light years. This sheet exerts a powerful outward gravitational pull, counteracting the Milky Way and Andromeda's combined attraction on other nearby galaxies. Galaxies embedded within this sheet are effectively pushed away from us, explaining why they recede faster than Hubble's law would predict. Voids and walls. The universe's architecture, the study also sheds light on the universe's large-scale structure. Surrounding this flat sheet are vast, empty voids where matter density is exceptionally low. These voids were formed in the early universe, where matter expanded faster than average, creating regions largely devoid of galaxies. The sheet of mass forms a wall between these voids, further concentrating its gravitational influence and preventing galaxies from falling inward toward the Milky Way. Implications and future. Research the findings reconcile theoretical models with observational data, confirming that the universe's expansion and the behavior of nearby galaxies can be explained by the distribution of dark matter. Researchers plan to continue refining these simulations and searching for additional structures falling toward the flat sheet to further validate the results. This discovery reinforces the idea that the universe isn't uniform, but shaped by complex gravitational interactions. While Andromeda's fate remains a collision with our galaxy, the vast majority of other nearby galaxies will continue to drift away, guided by the hidden hand of dark matter.